everyone, welcome back to my channel Techie Minds. Today, let's get into details of what is CAT. Common Admission Test is an entrance exam for candidates aspiring to make a career in management and business administration, that is MBA. This examination is conducted by Indian Institute of Management on rotational basis. 4,000 plus colleges in India offer MBA programs, out of which 82% of colleges offer full-time MBA courses and the remaining 18% offer part-time MBA courses. CAT exam is the most important MBA entrance exam in India. Approximately 2 lakh CAT aspirants attempt the CAT exam every year to secure admission into top business schools in the country. Other than IIMs, management schools at various IITs, FMS, NITIE, MDI Gurgaon, SP Jain all accept CAT scores. Let us get into details of benefits of having a CAT score. This definitely ensures admissions in premium institutes. The students passing out from premium institutes like IIMs are picked up by companies with lucrative salary packages. For students who have graduated and want to get better placement, this can be an opportunity. Those who are employed, getting promotions become easy. To grow beyond a certain level in your job, you need an additional degree. Choosing a career in MBA is one of the best options for higher education. Another advantage can be to shift from technical domain to any other different domain. Diversity of jobs is possible and you get to choose from a range of specializations such as marketing, advertising, finance, strategy, consulting. So depending on your interest level, it could be possible to choose any of the above or more fields. Opportunity to start on your own becomes brighter due to diversified knowledge. Now let us get into details of tentative schedule for the exams. Assuming you want to appear for CAT 2021, the online registrations would start tentatively from first week of August and the forms would be available until September last week. The CAT exam date would be tentatively in November last week. And finally, the results would be declared in the second week of January next year. Speaking regarding the eligibility, there is absolutely no age limit for appearing for the exam. Any graduate or a student appearing for the final year exam can take the test. People who have a work experience can choose to do full-time MBA or executive MBA depending on the number of years of experience. Although there is no work experience required, minimum of 50% marks for graduation are necessary for open category students and 45% for SC, ST and PWD students. Let us get into details about syllabus and the exam pattern. The duration of the exam is 3 hours and has 100 questions comprising of MCQs and subjective. So there are total 300 marks and this consists of 3 sections. VARC, verbal ability and reading comprehension, comprising of 34 questions, 102 marks. DILR, data interpretation and logical reasoning, having 34 questions, 102 marks. Quantitative aptitude, which is QA, has 32 questions and 96 marks. For every correct answer, the candidate scores 3 marks. For each wrong answer in the objective question, candidate will get negative marking of 1 mark. There will be no negative marking for subjective questions. This table helps you give the details of content for every section. The table here gives you a fair idea of national and state level exams like CAT requiring more or less same preparation and opening options for more colleges. They are MAT, Management Aptitude Test, Common Management Aptitude Test, AIMS Test for Management Admissions, MHCET, that is Maharashtra Common Entrance Test, and Karnataka Management Aptitude Test. A few set of exams are recommended to get into top private MBA colleges. They could be Xavier's Aptitude Test, NMIMS Management Aptitude Test, Symbiosis National Aptitude Test, Indian Institute of Foreign Trade Exam, IBS Aptitude Test, MICA Admission Test. Finally, I put forth the list of top 10 MBA colleges of 2019 as per the ratings by Business Today. The following are the references used to put forth the above information. I hope this helps you to know how to go about CAT and other similar exams. Do comment in the comment box and like and share the video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that I can come up with more such videos. Wishing you all the best. Stay tuned to Techie Minds. Thank you all.